Yo, what's the word YouTube? It's about time now, aka the reaction boss. And we're back in effect with another video for you guys. We're back in Nigeria. I know it's been a minute since I did a reaction for y'all, but Toxic Lyrical, where it all began, and this one we start doing phone out. Alright, so we're gonna go back here. You see me? So we now waste no time. Right now, let's put it up on the screen because you know, say I'm brawling this already when the video started. You know, chapter say, boom. Alright, we see what we got. Leave a like on the video, drop a comment, drop your thoughts, recommend some more song, and just the reaction boss is back in effect. Let's see what go on right now. Brick House production. Brick House. Anyways, virtual. Voila, virtual.
Angie, shake your body.
Hold on, why you sound like I actually heard this song already? We nominated yet. Well, hold on, Dyana is on here too, right? Okay, it's gonna be good. Yeah, nobody like over there in Nigeria, right? Okay, let's go. We don't have to say too much. Go on.
Angie, shake your body. Fona kambao tuna legalize it. Hudem ni mauro hizi kwa saganji. Kodzo mojinga memwa kwa bandi. Sha mapangale. Shambetani na shukisha shashare. Gra na chafua simbi la fe. Nilikesha jua kudos ni mchana re.
Hold why them as poor code? Them as a little pop bad man. Like, well, I got back too far. Right there, so. Right, which party there? Wala, right there, so somewhere. Right there, so. Jesus, God.
Saganji, kodzo mojinga memwa kwa bandi. Sha mapangale. Shambetani na shukisha shashare. Gra na chafua simbi la fe. Nilikesha jua kudos ni mchana re.
Bado mfisadi. Pasi venye warena huku hivi.
She got all the Jamaican colors on. You know who like that. You know who like that already. She got all the Jamaican colors represent me. Jesus, what's that? The property does that. What are they? What is? What are they? We don't want to see that. Full screen marketing. We don't want to see that. Full screen marketing. We don't want to see that. We don't want to see this. Get it off the screen. Hold on. Need to try and show them something. You know you're going to show no. No, see that. Boom. Take care off. Watch that. Go on!
Zilamba na labda rizla. Wezi stand kawe no kucheza tifla. Bado mfisadi. Pasi venye warena huku hivi. Zilamba na labda rizla. Wezi stand kawe no kucheza tifla.
Who's that? Anachungulia kwa window.
Real Nigerian dancer I go on right there, so people. Real Nigerian dancer I go on.
Kucheza tifla.
Who's that? Anachungulia kwa window. Huku Islam zoezi jwana ndio dingo.
Nishepatana na gangster 24/7 neti ana hate. Kama Ali kuswali si kwa gilit. Naombea soulmate askwe tena inmate. Stay overthink kasha.
Me not like they got some potential. They got some properties over there. Like the properties them move. Yes, them got some of them over there, people. But now I'm gonna lie, me and look at me and say, ooh. You see me and say, they got some potential. What still?
Go meditate yo. Still to koju na kushuka labda stairs tumekuja in pair kudisconnect the pair dozi itisha za macho mebuya ana stare. Fruit kwa meda kushindo kumea si kawaida na ngamvi. Meda kushindo kumea
Like, Jesus Christ.
si kawaida na ngavinye na sales nipe mawaidha kuchorewa saba ndo inaweza sababisha gwangi na gwangi kutafuta na vichwa kile kidosi mina panga shagla na richi sana bado mfisadi pasi venye warena huku hivi sezilamba na labda rizla wezi stand kawe no kucheza tifla bado mfisa na bado mfisadi basi venye warena huku hivi sezilambana labda rizla wezi stand kaweno kucheza tifla.
Who's that ananchungulia kwa window?
That is it. John was star. Yo, my phone be tweaking. That's crazy. But anyways, y'all. I'll close out the video right there now. You do me and say thanks for tapping in. And we'll soon in another one. Reaction boss, I said, if you start getting used to stop looking on the screen at myself and look at the camera because I wouldn't be talk to. Yes, so just get a new setup. I set up everything and everything so get level up. So no, I made. Hold on, peace.